Hey you, are you the type that like to click and scroll on your phone all the time? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can click and earn $5 every minute. Let's get into it. Hey, would you like to win some free money? Well, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, hit the like button, share this video, and type a number that will pop up somewhere in this video. Type it down in the comments below. It's going to help you increase your chances of winning the free money once I reach 8,000 subscribers. Now let's get into this video. Okay guys, I'm in the Google Play Store and I put up this app. Name of the app is Royale Rewards, Gifts and Cash. So let's just scroll down here and look at the screenshots so we can learn a little bit about this app. So basically guys, you're going to be making money spinning a wheel, doing scratch off cards, doing surveys, and getting lucky doing other type of games. And you can also refer and earn, so you can make money by referring people to this app and you're going to get paid. Invite your friend and earn money. So pick a number and try your luck to win $200. So this is the lucky game that they have. You just pick a number, and if you pick the right number, you get money. And here's the fortune wheel. So you just spin that wheel, whatever it lands on, you win that money. And here's the scratch off card. Just like when you're doing scratch off for as a lottery, you scratch off on here, boom, you win something. And finally, right here, they show the available rewards. $5 PayPal once you get 1,500 coins. $10 PayPal money once you get 2,800 coins, and $10 Google Play once you get 2,800 coins. Now let's just scroll down here and learn a little bit more about this app. So again, you play games on here. They got the highest paying games and you earn real money, and you're going to watch videos to earn coins. Then you're going to redeem those coins for PayPal money or gift cards. Now, how to use this app. So you're going to register with a valid email address. Then you're going to start doing daily check-ins and win huge coins every day. You're going to watch unlimited videos and you're going to earn coins that way. You'll be able to see it in your wallet that they have in the app. Then you're going to do the scratch off game and win huge coins every day. You're going to try your luck and win huge coins. You're going to play the lucky wheel and win coins that way. Let's just scroll down here and look at the rating. So out of 5 stars is 3.9. Now, I always say that anything that's 4 stars and over is a very good app. But this is close to 4 stars, so it's still a good app, guys. Now let's just read one of the reviews. So this person right here named T says, the application is a very good application. I worked for a few days and got a payout of $10. Now I know $10 is not that much, but hey, he just was on here using the app for a couple of days and already got $10. Just like that. And he probably wasn't even on the app that long. Okay guys, that's all I'm going to say about this app. I have never talked about this app before, so it's fairly new to me. So as you can see, it's only been 5,000 downloads. So guys, this is the app you need to jump on right now and start making some money before it gets too oversaturated. So please go to this app right now, guys. So go on the Google Play Store. You need to have a Android and look up Royale Rewards, Cash, and Gift. Download the app and start getting this money. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video all the way to the very end. Please hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell. Give me a like. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions. Share this everywhere. Let's get to 8,000 subscribers because I'm going to do a giveaway. Okay guys, that's it. I hope I brought some value for you today. So on that note, get your grind on because the grind is real. Please go check out these other videos until my next one come out. Peace and have a prosperous day.